Our Grant High School students work really hard to make a beautiful place for you to come and to learn about science, to learn about nutrition, and to have a fun morning outside.
Career technical education is really important not only for students to find a place in the world once they leave high school. So we help bring students real-world experiences and real-life activities that connect to what they may do in college, but also prepare them to be ready in the workforce immediately after high school if that's the path they choose to go on.
I actually really enjoy this because I'm not really an outdoors person, but this classroom really gets you out there and in the dirt and learning about what's all around you, and it actually helps you more on having a healthier lifestyle.
Flower.
Flower.
There is water. There is sun.
And we're really excited to give students the opportunity to learn about the art and the science of growing their own food, and then taking that into the cooking classroom and learning how to cook it in a healthy way, and then with the kid garden tours, learning how to share that knowledge with 5th graders in the school district.
All right, so draw the picture. I want to see you guys' art skills, okay?
Right.
Draw a picture for me and then show me or Miss Jenny.
It's amazing to see that my students are able to get connected to our earth, connected to our community, connected to their future education at Grant High School, as my school is a feeder school. So they're really excited to be a part of this community and feel like they're contributing, learning more about it, learning more about themselves in the process in such a hands-on way.